Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to act fast. First, confirm Chrome is up to date and that you're signed into the Google account linked to the web store. Once done, disable VPN or proxy and test on a stable network so network masking isn't the cause. Next, clear cache and cookies from Chrome, //settings/clear browser data. This removes stale tokens. Then open Chrome, //extensions and turn on developer mode so you can see extension ID and reloads. These steps eliminate most account and cache-related causes quickly. Now dig into diagnostics. Open Chrome, //extensions, click Inspect for the problematic item and watch the console for network or manifest errors. That shows why publishing fails. If the manifest JSON lists deprecated or missing permissions, correct them and repackage the extension. Also try uploading the updated package to the developer dashboard. Watch for validation messages. Make sure to test the same actions in a fresh Chrome profile or incognito window to separate profile corruption from broader issues. Finish by reinstalling Chrome or performing a settings reset, then sign back into the account and retry the web store action. This clears persistent client issues. If you're on a managed device, open Chrome, //policy and review active enterprise policies. Those often block store access. Remove or appeal policies where possible. If problems persist, collect console logs, error codes, and network traces and contact Google Developer Support. Provide those artifacts so they can reproduce and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.